Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a collection on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and then go to products and select collections, and now click on create collection and enter your collection title here and give here your collection description and select collection type. If you select manual, add products to this collection one by one, or if you select automated, existing and featured products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. And if you select automated, here you have to set the conditions. Products must match all conditions, or you can select any conditions. Product tag, you can select product type is equal to, is not equal to, and if you want to add another condition, you can click there. And now from here you can add a feature image for your collection, and after that click on save. And here you can see I have successfully created a new collection. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.